Wow, that's cool. He's a stretchy wrestler.
Oh, wow.
Hi, Explorer Ezra. Do you want to come to the Dino Den? I think there's some more presents downstairs. So it's Explorer Ezra's birthday.
Yeah.
And we're going to see some of the presents that he got. So this one is the Viper Bridge Attack from Hot Wheels.
Whoa.
So this fits onto other Hot Wheels sets.
Sorry. When you do this, there's boost.
Oh, so the snake here tries to eat the car.
This car is coming out now.
And you boost. Oh, it's eating Nate's track fear! Oh, I got the car! Whoa! So the next presents that we've got are Toy Story 4 Buzz Lightyear and Woody! Buzz has got a karate chop action. Whoa, what else does he have, Explorer Ezra?
He has his helmet.
His helmet whooshes. Whoosh!
He does this. You need to move your hand out.
Whoa, look at that. And his wings flash.
I want him.
No, Infinity. Gotta be on.
Okay, so he can talk. He's got a laser. Nature Tracker Fear. Does Woody talk to Buzz? Can you pull the string?
What are you doing out here? Operation Personal Shield to maximum.
Whoa!
No, Infinity. Gotta be on. Gotcha. Toxic.
Wow, they talk to each other. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Scanning. Laser at full power.
Should we do the next present?
Okay, let's see what we've got next.
Oh.
So we've got a Zuru Smash Rex. And when you press the egg, what happens? Ah, he does a fart sound.
And then he said, "Wah!" And you put eggs in him, and then he does poos them out.
He eats the eggs and poos them out?
Yeah.
Should we break this open?
Yeah. Yeah! Let me out. Thank you. Oh, look at this Rex. It does a farty fart.
Wow. And you press the button. Oh, and he poos it out.
It's mine.
Do you want to do on Nature Track Fear?
Yeah. Here, I put one in for you. I put one in for you.
Oh, so he's got two in there. Whoa! So, out of all of these cool toys, which one is your favourite?
Rex.
You like the Smasher Rex? What about you, Nature Tracker Fear? What's your favourite?
The car.
The car, the Hot Wheels car. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Why don't you join us for another prehistoric toy review soon?
Yeah.
See you again. Bye. Bye.